Generative Engine Optimization has profoundly changed the search experience and how people discover new brands, new products. The point is that in 2025, if your brand is not mentioned by ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, or Claude, you are seriously risking to be invisible. And many brands don't really know how to track that visibility, leave alone if they know any tool to track that AI visibility. Well, that's why in this review, I'm gonna be reviewing WriteSonic as your AI search visibility tool. This review is going to be based on real use cases, real experience, because I've been using WriteSonic since November 2024, and in this month I had the opportunity to test it in and out, and that's why I'm gonna record this review so you can make an informed decision about your AI search visibility tool. Without too much sugarcoating, I must admit that WriteSonic is currently one of the most used AI search visibility tools out there, and in this quick tutorial I want to show you the core functionalities of this tool. Number one is the visibility trends over time. Once you are in this interface, you just have to click here, you go on overview, and here you open the dedicated interface all about generative engine optimization. This is the overall AI visibility that I was talking about, and it's pretty easy to understand. Of course, when you are setting up WriteSonic for the first time, the tool is gonna ask you to import your domain, your key niches. That is very important. Don't mess up with niches, because otherwise it's gonna track your visibility in the wrong niches. And if you are a procurement analytics software, you don't want to track your visibility in the biological peanuts niche, right? Just keep in mind that in 2025, the brand visibility in AI search engines is probably the most important metric. Then if you click here, you will see your main competitors. For example, let's click on Spend HQ. If you click on this one, actually we need to open the full report. You will go here and you will see the exact visibility of these competitors for any given niche. And here we can see also the other competitors. This is a very important metric in my opinion, because it gives you an understanding of, is your marketing working well? Is your branding working well? Or do I need to improve it? Second feature that is very important, and WriteSonic has it, is the citations. You can check it either here or you can click here, and it gives you all the domains. These are not your main competitors. These could be also indirect competitors, but these are domains that are the most cited by AI search engines in your niche. Why is this important? Well, if you go to the full report, once you're here, you can see the most cited pages for each domain, and this is a very useful functionality. Why? Because if they are so well cited, it means that their content is somehow worth it. Well, you can just open it, you take notes about the type of content, and you try to create something that is as good as that or even better. The next feature that I find very interesting is the one about prompts. If you click on overviews, here you can see all the prompts that are driving visibility to your brand, but you can see also the prompts that do not mention your brand. I always suggest to take notes about this one and to try to analyze and assess whether it's possible to create a piece of content about it, or at least a paragraph into a blog post to be retrieved by AI search engines. You can find, of course, all that concentrated here in the missing prompts. As you can see, it also gives you how many missed opportunities we have over time, and here you have a very extensive list, up to 50 per page. Another tool that businesses often need is the brand sentiment tracker. Having a very positive brand sentiment online about your brand is crucial in 2025, because AI search engines take that into serious account. The question is, does WriteSonic have a brand sentiment analysis? Partially. As you can see, we have it here. If you click on sentiment, you have it potentially, but you need to upgrade to the advanced plan, which is around 499 euros per month. Right now, I'm running on the Pro plan, which is $249 a month, and as you can see, I don't have a brand sentiment analysis tool, which is a shame because for $199 we are directly clashing with Ahrefs in terms of pricing, but Ahrefs is a very long-lasting brand and it's hard to convince people to get away from Ahrefs, opt for another alternative that, by the way, does not offer traditional SEO tools. I know this review is all about generative engine optimization, but as generative engine optimization and search engine optimization work side by side, SEO helps your generative engine optimization visibility. Having a tool that includes both is gonna be definitely helpful for your brand and budgeting. Anyways, let's move on to the positives side of WriteSonic. Outside of the generative engine optimization tool, we have something that is somehow related, which is this. And I must be honest, the other tools that I tested do not have this functionality. I'm talking about the strategy tool. It's a very interesting AI assistant because once you set up your brand in WriteSonic and you make WriteSonic understand what your brand is, you have a very long list of potential content ideas to start writing with a connection to Ahrefs, which estimates the volume for a given keyword. In this case, the primary keyword is spend analysis Excel template. And here you can approve or disapprove this content idea. Let's focus on the blog posts because you can split between landing pages and blog posts. This time I'm focusing on the blog posts. Once you approve or disapprove that content idea, you can even use their content writer. I don't do that because I like Claude too much, but so you know, you can directly connect WriteSonic to your website with Cloudflare and you can start publishing content directly to your website. This is a very useful tool that will increase your AI visibility because it spots content gap that you already have or you do not have, because you need to double check if you actually have this kind of content idea into your blog database or you do not have. And in case you do not have, you can write about it and this will help you optimize and increase your AI search visibility. A very handy tool that I found very useful. Some extra details. How many brands can you monitor with WriteSonic and the plan that I currently have? You can monitor up to 3 brands as I have it right here. To go over 3 brands, you need the advanced plan. And last detail, WriteSonic offers an AI bot traffic overview. This must be rewarded because all the other tools that I tested, almost all do not have the AI traffic analytics. WriteSonic does have it, but you need to do one extra step and you need to select your provider and integrate your website with WriteSonic. Once the setup is complete, you can start monitoring or at least having an estimation of traffic coming from AI search engines to your website. Very good thing. Another aspect that is absolutely worth it being mentioned from WriteSonic is the actionable insights. So does WriteSonic offer actionable insights or not? My answer is partially. You have it here, as you can see. It's called Action Center, which allows you to discover high impact tasks ranked by effort and value with AI guidance to complete each one. This is a wonderful description, a wonderful tool, but there is a but, a very huge but. You need to pay for the advanced plan for €199, which is a shame again because there is a great tool that will help your website grow, but it's gated again behind a very high price. There is an alternative, I must admit it, which is the Cited Audit. The Cited Audit is not generative engine optimization oriented only, but it's just search engine optimization oriented. But anyways, once you open it, you will find a lot of implementation improvement points that are gonna indirectly improve also your AI search visibility. But if you are asking me, does WriteSonic have a direct actionable insights to improve your generative engine optimization? The answer is no, it does not. Let's move on to the next question that many people may ask. Are WriteSonic data accurate? Well, in my opinion, yes, they are accurate as much as they could be accurate. They are not using any API in this case, but they're actually simulating real AI search engines interactions with simulated prompts. The prompts are not the real one that people are searching, but they have this system that accesses third-party data for the prompts and then puts those prompts into real AI search engines and gives you real answers. This is a good point for WriteSonic because the data become a bit more accurate. And last but not least, their AI prompts are executed in different geographical locations to give you the most accurate data as possible, which is a very good point. Now let's go more into the technicalities of WriteSonic. How does it work? Well, it runs my prompts every 24 hours. In my plan, I can choose up to 150 prompts. Don't do the mistake that I did, which was not choosing the right prompts. That was giving me just unrelated data. How many AI search engines are analyzed by WriteSonic? Well, you can see it down here: ChatGPT, Google AI Reviews, and Perplexity. Claude is not included, AI mode is not included, but these three search engines are already a very good database to have an accurate estimation of your AI visibility. Now it's time to address the elephant in the room. Are WriteSonic data accurate? Well, in my opinion, they are accurate as much as they can be, because they are running real prompts into real web interfaces of those AI search engines. Are those data perfect? No, they're not perfect, and I'm not claiming them. I'm not expecting them to be perfect, because none of these AI search visibility tools will have bulletproof final data. They're just estimations. But here is what matters. Those data are enough to make me do marketing decisions, to provide reports to my clients, and to provide reports to my own business. And I'm happy with that. If I should mention one limitation of WriteSonic, is that I cannot really track how many leads, how many sales I'm getting from AI search engines traffic. But as I mentioned before, at least I can monitor the traffic. And after all, WriteSonic is not a conversion optimization platform or customer relationship management platform. It's an AI search visibility platform, and it does its job in a pretty good way, although some features are gated behind high prices. So very quickly, let's talk about WriteSonic pricing. Let's find it out on the website. But I can already tell you that the light plan starts from $49 a month. You can find everything here. Oh yeah, $49, but does not include AI search tracking optimization. To get that, you need to start from the professional, advanced, and enterprise plans, and these are the prices: $249, I go always with monthly, $249, $499. Make your own conclusions if these are good prices or not. In my opinion, they are average. If only they could include Action Center in the professional plan, I think that WriteSonic would gain a lot of advantage compared to bigger providers. Time to move on to the last part of this review, the pros and cons of WriteSonic. Let's start from the pros. Pricing. For $249 compared to Ahrefs and Profound is a very good pricing, and in my opinion puts WriteSonic in the average upper spectrum of pricing. You have a very good AI search engines coverage. As I have showed you, you got Perplexity, ChatGPT, and Google AI Reviews, three big AI search engines. Good enough. Data are accurate. They are not sourced from APIs, but are actually scraped from real web. You have some actionable insights through the content strategy, the search engine optimization site audit tool, and almost from the Action Center. The geographic adjustment, it's a very interesting feature because it helps you track the AI visibility in a more accurate way. Another pro is the AI assisted content creation feature to increase your AI search visibility. Not all the tools have it. And the UX experience is pretty smooth, not the simplest tool, but still good enough. What are the major cons? Well, the major con for me is that the Action Center is gated. You have to pay a lot of money to get that. The other con is that you have a limited set of possible integrations. You cannot connect WriteSonic with your Shopify store, with your Squarespace store, or your Wix website. You can connect it only if you have a Shopify, Cloudflare, or Vercel. So let's wrap up this presentation. Who is WriteSonic for? Well, I can tell you that in my opinion, WriteSonic is mainly for medium to bigger businesses who need an AI search visibility tool and are not afraid of spending $249 or even $499 businesses. It's for those businesses that need to track their AI search visibility, but they also like some concrete actionable insights and a content strategy assistant. But WriteSonic is not suitable for those brands that need direct lead attribution, and after all the AI search engines are not suitable for that purpose. It's not suitable for those businesses that are extremely budget oriented. In that case, quite honestly, ScaleNet would be a better option. My final verdict about WriteSonic. Well, WriteSonic is a good tool, provides me all what I need with some extra bonus like the content strategy and the site audit. On top of that, I forgot to mention it before, it also has the ChatSonic, which was a feature that they used to advertise quite a lot a few months ago. Now it just got lost. This a generative AI SEO assistant fine-tuned for SEO. Very nice feature. It provides me all the data I need for AI search visibility, but keep in mind this is just my personal review of a tool that I personally tested, and each use case could be different. So please, before making your final decision, test this tool and make your own assessment about it. And this is the end of this tutorial/review of WriteSonic. Please drop me in the comment what is your opinion about this AI search visibility tool. Let me know if you would like to see more AI search visibility tools reviewed by me, and if so, just tell me which one you would like to know more about. Until then, smash the like, subscribe to our channel, and just check the other reviews that we did so far. I don't know, it's gonna be somewhere here. Till then, thanks so much and have a good day, afternoon, evening. Bye.